Hi Maklaagan, ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Man of the World who will be representing the Philippines. We have Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Hello, Kenneth. How are
Hi, Miss
you?
Fritz. I'm back again.
Yes, welcome back to our
Suki
show.
na suki talaga ako sa show na to.
And sana hindi ka naman nagsawa, di ba?
Hindi naman po.
Yes.
I'm always excited to be here in your show.
Thank you so much, Kenneth. Now, Kenneth, I would like to ask, how is the feeling now? Your competition is near, and how is the feeling that you will represent the Philippines for the Man of the World?
I'm very happy about this, Miss Fritz. It's a very big blessing for me. Having this title, representing the Philippines, and this is my first international pageant. That's why I don't really want to lose this chance. I'm really working hard on this. Hopefully that we can win that title.
Yes. Now, is it pressure ba on your end? Because bringing the Philippines, which is one of the powerhouse when it comes to pageantry, pressure ba yun sa'yo?
I think yes, because when you're reaching for beautiful things, greater things, there is always pressure. Like diamonds, they are made with pressure. I think it's normal to have pressure. But for me, in dealing pressure, I always pressure. I always pray, I always ask God for help because I know that He's in control in my life in whatever situation that is going to happen to me. And I think also that when there is pressure, I just enjoy the journey.
Ang galing, no? Instead of pressure, pressure.
Yeah.
Wow, not bad. Oo.
It's in the word lang.
Yes. And what are the things that you prepare for the upcoming coronation? Anong mga pinaghahanda mo ngayon?
Grabe po yung preparation ko this time. Since after ng Misters of Filipinas, direct talaga ako into training. I'm focusing on my physique because I need to really be more physically fit for this competition. Dahil sobrang lalaki po ng mga kalaban natin from different parts of the world. And I think I need to be more buff and more bigger. That's why from after the Misters of Filipinas competition, diretso po ako nag-gym and siguro masasabi ko po na ang abs ko po ang definition ng true hard work ko kasi this is the first time ever na na-achieve ko talaga yung abs ko in my whole life. Also po, I did also really prepare on my Q&A training. Thank you to Miss Michelle Padayhag for helping me on my Q&A. That is something that I lacked on my previous pageant. That's why I really work hard also on that. So thank you, Miss Mitch, for helping me, and to Team Pictats.
Wow.
Thank you, Miss
Talking
Fritz.
about abs. Sample! Diba? Surprise na lang yan. Kaya excited pa naman ako. Yung pa-abs na yan, diba? Now,
Abs reveal soon.
abs reveal. Ganon. So, sa nagdaang mga competition mo, you started with a different competition. And now, for the Misters of Filipinas, nanalo ka. Anong aabangan namin at anong bago kay Kenneth Kabungkal ngayon for the coronation night?
I think this will be going to be Kenneth 2.0.
Kenneth 2.0!
And you-
Bakit nasasabi mo yan?
I will unleash the new Kenneth. And dahil marami pong nagbago sa buhay ni Kenneth after niyang manalo sa Misters of Filipinas. And marami siyang mga natutunan sa life na maa-apply niya in both pageantry and also in life.
So abangan mo yung Kenneth 2.0. Yun
Yes.
pala. Nakaka-excite tuloy, no? Now, Kenneth, what makes you turn on?
I think pag babait po yung tao sa akin, yun po yung nakapa-turn on sa akin. When you're good to me, and I always pay back goodness to you. I don't really focus on the looks or the wealth or basta mabait ka po. I'm more on attitude, personality
Yun yung
of the person.
importante.
Yes, that's more important.
Yes naman. Yung attitude ng tao,
Attitude
the
ng tao.
characters
The character,
of
yes.
the person that makes you turn on.
That's what matter most. for me.
Oo. Now you talk about babae and what makes you turn on. May nagpapatibok ba ngayon? Ngayon kasi before, nasagot mo na yan. Ngayon, may nagpapatibok na ba sa puso ni Kenneth Kabungkal?
As of now po, to be honest, wala pa po.
Ay,
Na
wala
babae.
pa.
Pero, ang
Meaning
nagpapatibok,
Ay! no.
I think ang nagpapatibok ng puso ko ngayon is God, who's always with me, my family, the love for myself, and also the love for my friends. Yan yung nagpapatibok ng puso ko right now.
Ayun. But on your stage right now, kung papapiliin ka,
Yes.
love or money?
Money, Miss Fritz. Pero when I say
Okay.
money, I don't say na I'm choosing money over love because I have all the love right now. I'm contented with the love that I have from God, from my family, from the love for myself, my friends. I'm choosing money right now because I'm building my career. I'm investing on my future. I want to build also my parents' dream, which is their dream house. So I'm choosing money because I want to give more love to them in the future. And, di ba?
Talaga naman, no? Yung kapag family talaga, ibang-iba. No, mga kalagan, mukhang napapaiyak ko si Kenneth. Gano'n. Ano ba yan?
Kasi-
Bakit naman talaga na mukhang, when you talk about family, napapaiyak ka?
Kasi po, we're family fish vendors. Sobrang gusto ko po masuklian yung hard work ng parents ko sa akin and sa aming pamilya. I want to revenge what goodness they give to me, and I want to really build their dream house soon. Yes.
And
Well,
it would be possible right now. Who
hopefully.
knows? You will be
Hopefully.
the next. And the next Filipino will win. Man of the world.
Yes.
Diba? Ayun.
Laban.
Yes, laban tayo dyan. Now, what does winning the crown for Man of the World means to you?
It means a lot to me. I want to really create a legacy and a history to the Philippines. Na gusto ko pong maging first time ever Filipino na makawin sa title dahil so far in past 5 years wala pa po talagang Filipino na nakakuha ng crown.
Oh, yes talaga. And who knows ngayon, di ba? Sa'yo na. Pero for the past years naman, Philippines have been has the highest
Oh,
naman, di ba?
have
They have the third runner-up, di ba?
Second runner-up.
Second runner-up. And who knows, this year would be the crown already, di ba?
If the stars align.
If the stars align. All right. Now, makalagan, the questions are getting more interesting and the answers, marami tayong nalalaman kay Kenneth Kabungkal. Now, before we continue, I would like to thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank Cebu Century Plaza Hotel for the accommodation. Thank you very much. Team Flora Dermatoloica for always making me fresh because I am Team Flora Touch. Desire by Salon Expert for always making my hair beautiful and for making me beautiful today. And also to my Quick Thoughts family, BNB Models. Thank you so much. Misters of Filipinas Organization, Sir June Salod, thank you very much. And Sir Albert Katamko for having this interview. Thank you very much. Now, let's lighten up. Let's loosen up because we will be having the game. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na rin.
Okay, because I will call this game is Don't Lie to Me.
Parang hindi
Yes.
ako ready.
Dapat-
nabago yung isip ko. Miss.
Ay, hindi. Dapat ready ka na.
I think I'm not ready for this.
You should be ready. Lahat ng pageant kings, Michael Toledo, nag-try na din dito. You're the previous man of the Philippines, nag-try na din. So you should try it also. Okay? Now, ang tanong, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
ready.
So ito, kapag naglalay ka, mag-ground ka. Kapag hindi ka naglalay, okay, wala lang.
Paano mo malaman na
Basta mag-ground ka dito, di ba? Okay.
Sige,
Place your
sige,
hands.
sige.
Kakalagaan, ang laki-laki na kaway ni Kenneth.
Gusto kong bumili nito, Miss Fritz.
Alright.
Baka, ano na to, souvenir na to.
Souvenir! Okay, ready ka na ba?
Ready.
Alright. Okay. Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal, magaling ka ba? Yes or no?
Yes. Definitely.
Yes. Naka rin? Ay! Nag-lie ka ba? Nag-lie! Siguro, magaling ka.
Dapat more
Relax ka
precise.
lang. Oo.
More precise.
Magaling ka
Kung ano,
siguro.
kung saan.
Hindi ka na siguro.
Kung saan magaling.
Kung saan ka magaling. Yun yung tanong eh. Pero yung tanong lang is like, kung saan ka ba magaling. Pero magaling ka naman talaga.
Yes.
Yan. Kenneth Kabungkal, in love ka ba ngayon?
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi. Tignan natin.
Yeah.
Ay! Hindi siya in love. Natakot siya. Okay, sige.
That's good.
Alright.
That's good.
Alright. Eto. Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal, nakakaalis ka na ba? There was one time ba na umalis ka sa bahay nyo na walang toothbrush? Napaisip?
Hindi.
Hindi.
I always make sure.
Naka-toothbrush daw siya. Oh! Nagsabi siya ng totoo! Okay! Alright, isa lang talaga yung hindi. Okay. Next. Alright. Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal,
Yes, Miss Fritz?
maganda ba ako?
Siyempre, 100%. Wag kang-
Kapag naglalaya na, ewan ko na sa'yo talaga. Ewan ko na talaga sa'yo.
Sa'yo na to.
Ewan ko na talaga sa'yo. Okay. Oh my God! Marunong na siya! Oh, ay, technique to eh. Okay, okay.
I think,
More? Alright,
I
try.
want more, I want
Okay.
more.
Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal, after your coronation night nung Mistress of Filipinas, ever since then ba, may nagpapakilig sa'yo? Yes or no?
yes.
Oh! Yes daw! Oh! Meron. Halos tama
honestly,
lahat eh.
it's the best
Sure ka ba?
Yeah.
Sure ka? Okay.
Sure yan, sure yan.
Alright. Okay. Eto. Okay. Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal, have you experienced friends with benefits?
Friends with benefits. I think hindi.
Wala pa. Ang bait ni Kenneth. Ang bait-bait. Oy! Alam niyo lang? Okay. Alright.
I'm a Christian po and I respect and treasure the girl that I want.
Oh, so talagang girl talaga yun na yung perfect girl talaga.
Yes.
Oo, baka perfect girl talaga. Okay. Last but not the least, Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal, man of the world.
Yes.
Happy ka ba ngayon?
Yes. I am, Miss Fritz.
Ay, happy na siya. So talagang happy ka ngayon.
Yes, I'm happy with my life po. Every blessing po, I think yung the pain, lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko, happy naman po ako ngayon.
Nasabi mo yung pain. Anong pain yan?
I think sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko, there is always problem, but I always have the resilience po in my life, and I always just go with the flow and enjoy the imperfectness of life.
Yes. Oh naman. Very well said. Now, can you please invite our Laagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow your social media platform and how we can support you for the upcoming Man of the World who will be representing the Philippines and who would like to say thank you. Go ahead.
Hi guys, please follow and like Laagan sa Sugbo.
Thank
especially to Miss Fritz. And you can follow me on my Facebook account, Kenneth Kabungkal, on my Instagram also. And on my TikTok, I think that's Kenneth Vincent also. And I would like to really, can I
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
thank my sponsor?
Oh, sure, go ahead,
Especially
please.
to my Skin Dr. Cebu, to my Smile IDC, to my hair, KitKat, and to my makeup right now, Desire. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Edwin, si Sir Edwin
yes.
Martinez.
Parang
who-
ang gwapo ko ngayon.
Ano ba? Galing ni Sir Edwin. Deserve ba? May pahawak-hawak tayo dyan eh.
And I
Yes.
also want to thank, I think, Jojo Bragais, and to my suit right now, Sir Robert Katamko, my manager. Thank you also to my BNB family and to Team Quick Thoughts. Thank you. And to Misters of Pilipinas organization, to PEPS. Thank you so much. And I think marami pa akong gustong pasalamatan pero I can't really say it right now. Also to my gym, Anytime Fitness. Thank you so much. And thank you, Miss Fritz, for
thank
having me
you.
always here and welcoming me always in your show.
Oo
I
nga eh.
love
Baka
it.
mapafall na ako
Really
dito eh. Ano ba yan?
Nag-enjoy
Nag-i-enjoy ka ngayon. But thank you very much, no?
so much.
Once again, Makalagan, our man of the world who will be representing the Philippines, Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Thank you very much for guesting here at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's an honor to have you here.
I really love your show.
Oh, thank you. Congratulations of representing the Philippines for the man of the world. And good luck for your upcoming competition.
Thank you, Miss Fritz.
You're welcome. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Sugbo, Pageantry All Access.